President Donald Trump is replacing his expiring travel ban with a new travel restriction.
It's now going to affect people from 8 countries. Hena Doba has more on the expansion taking effect next month.
Just hours before President Trump's travel ban was set to expire, the White House unveiled new indefinite travel restrictions.
The tougher, the better.
The new rules affect citizens from Chad, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Syria, Yemen, all part of the administration's earlier travel bans. Citizens from North Korea and Venezuela have been added to the list. The Trump administration says these nations failed to share sufficient information with the U.S. or haven't taken necessary security precautions. On Twitter, Mr. Trump added, "Making America safe is my #1 priority. We will not admit those into our country we cannot safely vet." While some countries will face full bans, others, like Venezuela, will only apply to certain government officials and their families. Earlier versions of the president's travel ban were met with protests, legal challenges, and chaos at airports across the country. Opponents claiming the ban is discriminatory against Muslims. The Council on American Islamic Relations, or CAIR, the nation's largest Muslim civil rights and advocacy organization, tweeted in part, "Trump's new Muslim ban is part of an ugly white supremacist agenda." The new ban will go into effect on October 18th. Hena Doba, CBS News.
To avoid confusion this time around, officials stress that valid visas will not be revoked and case-by-case waivers will be permitted.